In this video, I'm going to show you my October results of fully automated trading using the QuantVue Qkronos strategy, along with Alert Dragon, which allows you to fully automate your personal cash accounts on Tradivate. Now I'm going to show you the exact strategy, the setup, the chart that I used to get the results that I did, along with just some general resources that you can expect if you're on our Elite or ATS automated program. If you're new here, my name is Mike Santucci. I'm the founder and CEO of QuantVue. We make indicators, automated strategies. We have over 12,000 members in our Discord community. We are probably the largest and most prominent prop trading Discord community in the industry at this point. So be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because we post videos like this usually 2 to 3 times every single week. Without further ado, let's just jump right in. So here's how I was able to generate over $2,000 in the month of October using the QuantVue automated strategies and Alert Dragon to automate my personal Tradivate account. Now, the strategy I was using from QuantVue was our Qkronos strategy, using what we call the set and forget configuration. Now, basically what that is a very passive, not aggressive configuration of the Qkronos strategy that might take 1, maybe 2 trades a day. If not, sometimes it just won't trade at all. As you could see today, it actually didn't trade at all. So it's really looking for those very, very high percentage trades. If I pull up the strategy tester, what really prompted me to launch this thing this month was the fact that on a back test here on TradingView, using this setup, obviously this is just a back tester. We are using the deep back testing, which is great, but forward testing will always be king, which is what we've done here for the month of October. So I really wanted Qkronos set and forget configuration because, one, honestly, I am just not able to manually trade like I was in months past. As QuantVue grows at an exponential rate and the community is constantly growing, honestly, week over week, month over month, I just don't have the time to look at charts, plot levels, and be at my screen as much as, at least be at my charts as much as I was able to in the past. That's great, but I still want to trade. So Qkronos and the other strategies here that we offer at QuantVue allow me to generate additional trading profits via automation. Now, as you can see, we've got a very clean backtest on the TradingView backtester, sorry, with a very clean upward to the right slope here. Now, this net profit, you don't really want to pay attention to this because this is just determined by the properties. So I could set this to 1 million and this will, if I'm trading 1 MNQ, it's going to show a very, very small percentage. What you're going to want to look for is the percent profitable and the drawdown here. 8% drawdown with 78% profitability. So that is something that I will take all day. Now, one thing that I love doing is trading micro. Now, a lot of people get a little carried away and they'll full port 3, 4, 5 minis. And honestly, with automation and trading in general, just take it slow. Small base hits compounded over time really do add up. Where we see a lot of traders get into trouble with not just our tools, trading in general, is just wanting to complete challenges too fast, wanting to hit home runs every single day, rather than just consistent base hits when, as you can see, drawn out over time, generate a nice return, or at least can generate. So I was able to generate some very nice trades here for the month of October. These stats might be a little skewed. I was testing out strategies on some of the days, but for the most part, Qkronos absolutely crushed it here for the month of October. This was, I think, our first loss yesterday, Wednesday, in how many days? I mean, there, here, win. I mean, it was probably honestly a few weeks where we were just consistently hitting on trades here. These were 2 for 2. I mean, Qkronos for October really crushed it. I'm eager to see how this performs in November and moving forward through the rest of the year, especially with the election, which is almost certainly going to provide some good volatility. So with the QuantVue strategies, you could automate not just our indicators, but obviously the strategies here. And the way I do it is through our sister company, Alert Dragon. Now, what Alert Dragon does is essentially connects any strategy, not just ours, any strategy or webhook or TradingView alert indicator, whatever, into your Tradivate cash accounts. Now, keep in mind, this is not for prop accounts. You cannot sign up for Alert Dragon and automate prop accounts. If you want to do that, you're going to want the QuantVue ATS program. But if you want to automate personal cash accounts like I did here, Alert Dragon is the way to go. We are by far the fastest execution speeds on the market over providers like Traders Post or Signal Stack or other providers like, AutoView. By far, Alert Dragon, go test it out for yourself. We have a free 14-day trial. If you don't like it, full refund, cancel anytime, no sweat. Very, very simple to set up. All the guides and everything are included on how to get started. A lot of QuantVue members automating the QuantVue strategies here with Alert Dragon. Very, very simple setup. One thing that we've probably showed in videos past here on the channel is when you sign up for the QuantVue Elite plan and you want access to these automated strategies, you're going to also get access to one of the most powerful and useful resources in the QuantVue Discord community, and that is the shared forward testing Google Doc. Now, every day you'll see we have traders in here throughout the weeks submitting all of their results on automation throughout the months, exactly what strategies they're using, what configuration. So in this case, Alert Dragon, or some people are using the ATS, what settings they had. And the best part is, let's say, okay, you don't want to waste time setting this chart up and you go, wow, Mike crushed it this month. I'd like to just copy this chart layout, rip it into Alert Dragon, and on my merry way, you can do that. Copy paste the link right here, throw it right in your TradingView, and there'll be a copy thing in here. And you could plug in exactly what I used this month into your own chart. So very cool stuff. Do not sleep on this chart. Very valuable insight. People recording their trades, results every single week, every single day using the QuantVue strategies. And a plus is also, for example, we had a member here share one of their gold charts, and I was sitting there trying to configure my own gold chart when, we had a member who dropped it in our Discord community. Beautiful gold chart right here. As you can see, I'm not having to sit here and mess around trying to configure these strategies. If I go to the deep back test here. So you're not just getting strategies when you sign up for QuantVue, you're getting probably the most robust and inclusive community of not only automated traders, but manual traders in the prop trading industry, futures more specifically. I've yet to see a community like ours with the amount of knowledge that's being shared. As you can see, so look, I could have gone through, spent a couple hours trying to do this, but instead it was a client here that was sharing their results somewhere and dropped it into the Discord, ported it right into my chart, able to rip this and start trading some gold future. So I just wanted to quickly share in this video some of the October results from Qkronos. This was into a live account. This was into a personal account. You could use our tools into personal. If you want to use our strategies into prop accounts, you're going to want our QuantVue ATS program. This will probably go up on the channel in November when we open up spots. Be sure to jump on this. Price goes up every single month. We do not play games. When spots are filled up, that's it. Price will go up. We have people crushing it in here, getting funded, fully automated, pull and payout. You just love to see it. And by far, this ATS beats Alert Dragon on execution speeds. Granted, this doesn't automate into personal accounts, but you will not find a faster automated solution into prop accounts than the ATS. That is honestly a fact at this point. We have yet to find one. Traders Post, Signal Stack, those guys can be up to 1, 2, 3, 5 seconds even on execution speeds. ATS, way faster than that, less than 100 milliseconds almost every single time. Alert Dragon, almost always less than 200 milliseconds on executions with automation is extreme. So meant to just be a quick video on the power of some of our elite strategies here, some of the results that I had in the month of October, running it into a personal account. And we were recovering from the hurricane, so I wasn't even able to run this every day as I should have. So bear that in mind. But even just the days I think this is trading three or five MNQs. I think I was best 3 to 5 MNQs at a time. Just consistent base hits. So if you want the exact strategies that I used in today's video, all of our automated tools, whether you want to sign up for Alert Dragon so you can automate your cash accounts on Tradivate, all of those links are going to be in the description. Both QuantVue and Alert Dragon, all plans come with a free 14-day risk-free trial. If you don't like it, you don't pay, cancel anytime. That's all I got for you in this video. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.